Oh, guys, in consideration, NZXT H500, your trade case, today. NZXT likes to electrical like NZXT NZXT bike, NZXT Frank, sign Frank Street, and because the track, that's like that. Because I didn't like boycott the address. So, thanks. So, thanks. Okay, thanks. Okay. So, I got cakes self, drinks. I can't say that, so I think cakes. And using still again at top. I think I could drink the text. Yeah, get that green case. Okay. Okay. So, got the case. Okay. Right. I can't take that stock, so hold on. Okay, take the ATX. Okay, I got stuck in the caddy. Okay. Sit there outside. Okay. Make sure you take that right. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, this is all like a character guy. Things are things, right? But that guy, that's the guy, that's that tank. That right. Okay, so I think this is a thing. Well, this thing's a tanks. That ain't extra drive. Yeah, right. Okay. So this is the case. So thanks. So okay. Alright. So I think so I think alright. So alright, we got next game. Okay, no extra drives. Okay. I think they got a constraint actually cakes. So it looks like I think I'm doing right. I'm thinking exclude the second something like that. Okay, right. Okay. Alright. Okay, great. Okay. Thanks, okay, right. Thanks, side. Oops. Okay, guys. Okay. I can go outside to the inside. I can say the to the okay. And okay, take the tripe. So okay, access that. And again, the dagger address for going. Okay, the 16th Street. But I can't the see, okay, the accent, exit Seagate, looks like that gates, yeah, okay. Look at that. Okay. That's right. That screens the case. I can't get to tighten sites. So that cranks. Great. That's okay. And all that actually good. So that right. Get the tanks, so the cut tanks. All that. So get right. Thanks, right. This is like thanks, NZXT case. Right. X. Right. I had a gang. Gang can say so. Gang can say right. So go. Right. Right. Okay. Sometimes because it screens like right. Okay. Thanks. Okay, thanks. Oh. Okay, sometimes. Okay. Alright. Okay, so I got the screens. So I can try and get something. I think the hard drive. Still off. But I think it's Linux. Should be installed. Back certain screens. I got things so. Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks. I think this can get that screens. Yeah, that thanks, right? That extract getting. Thanks. Okay. So that. So I got circuit okay, crane, alright. And that. So alright. I think sorry, I think that tank. Sorry. But anyways, I think that's a sight. It goes like that X500 case. Okay. It goes like that. Don't forget to give it a like, okay, and then subscribe. Seems like a great, doesn't great, still great, okay. Well, guys, I can do like that. Okay.